G'day folks, my name's James. Thought I'd make a little unboxing video of my new Duesenberg Paloma. I've got the one in the sparkly red. It's a bit of a nervous kind of time for me at the moment. I haven't played it yet. I haven't actually seen it yet. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. I've got this one from Mega Music, which is in Mayree at Fremantle, Western Australia. Rightio. So I've been after another guitar for a while, something a little more versatile. I've always played Les Pauls, mucked around with the whole Fender thing a little bit, but couldn't quite get into Strats. The Phillies are a little thin for the kind of stuff that I like to play. But I like the idea of having the humbucker in the bridge and the single coils in the middle and the neck position, which I know you can do on a Strat anyway, but I've just never really been a big fan of how Strats feel. And in actual fact, I actually really think that the Duesenberg is a pretty sexy looking guitar too. So there's quite a lot of appeal there as well. So let's have a look. It's quite exciting. This is in the sparkly red finish. See how this looks. Oh my, look at that. It's fantastic. Yeah. So just at first glance, the finish looks to be fantastic. It's really slick. I don't know if you can see that on the camera at all, but from here that sparkle's just insane. It's just this like old school kind of metal flake, sort of dancing across the surface. So that's on the front and on the back. Yeah, it's really slick, sort of gloss black finish. I really like too that it's got the sort of bound edges. Kind of some of those little Les Paul-y traits that I like as well, design-wise. But it's reasonably heavy. I'm actually surprised by the weight. It's probably heavier than it's heavier than a Strat. Obviously not as heavy as a Les Paul. But yeah, it's quite chunky and quite weighty. It is a solid body. I think there are other models you can get that are hollow, semi-hollows. Yeah, but this is got quite a bit of weight to it. I really love the shape of the body and the design, just all the chrome work and the black Perspex plastic, I guess it is. Yeah, it's really clean and neat. And just the fit and finish of everything looks fantastic. One thing I haven't used before, and that is locking tuners. So take me, I have to do a little bit of reading there to make sure I use those right and don't break strings or whatever it is that can happen with those. Maybe that doesn't happen at all. But yeah, guitar looks fantastic. It's, out of the box, it's reasonably in tune. I've never really played with a bar before too, so this will be interesting, getting used to that. Yeah, so yeah, look, I don't really know what else to say at this stage. We need to plug it in and give it a go. We might save that for another video, so you don't have to sort of sit through the whole tuning up process. But at first glance, it looks top notch. Really well presented, well finished. Oh, hang on, what have we got in here? Oh, okay, so the usual case candy by the looks of it. The keys for the case, various Allen keys, the owner's manual. Okay, so I'll have to check that for the locking tuners to see how they work. Oh, what's this here? I've got a friend. Oh, I see. Right. So it's a cleaning cloth. Cleaning cloth. something else in here. Oh, just in case I play until my fingers bleed, it says. Oh, that's very nice. I think they've supplied some Band-Aids. I haven't seen that before. So interesting. Well, hopefully I won't need to use those. Okay, well there you have it, folks. It's the Duesenberg Paloma in the red sparkle finish. In my opinion, just looking at them on the website and the other videos going around, I thought this was the finish for me. The others look great, but yeah, this one in particular, I think it looks fantastic. And it would look great under stage lights too, so I'm trying to get that nice sort of sparkle and shimmer across the body of the guitar. Alright, thanks very much. See you later.